In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an item in Instacart. This is a straightforward process that will help you manage your orders effectively. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for Instacart. You'll see various links related to Instacart services. It's important to click on the official site link to ensure you are on the right platform. This not only protects your information, but also guarantees that you have access to all features. Once you find the correct link, go ahead and click on it to proceed. You should see the familiar Instacart homepage where you can begin the login process. Next, click the correct link and log in. Enter your email and password associated with your Instacart account. If you have forgotten your password, there's usually a recovery option. Logging in is crucial because you need access to your account to manage your shopping cart. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can view your active orders and saved items. Now, open your digital shopping cart by clicking the cart icon. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you directly to your current shopping cart. Here you can see all the items you have selected for purchase. It's a vital step as this is where you will manage what you want to keep or remove from your order. You'll notice a clear overview of your items, including their quantities and prices. Next up, locate the item you no longer wish to purchase. Scroll through your cart, looking for the specific item you want to cancel. It's important to take your time here, especially if you have a long list of items. By identifying the correct item, you ensure that you only remove what you no longer need. This helps you avoid confusion later. Once you find the item, you'll be ready for the next step in the cancellation process. After that, reduce the item quantity to 0, or tap the trash can icon to delete it completely. If you prefer to keep the item for future purposes, reducing the quantity to 0 is a good option. However, if you want to completely remove it from your cart, clicking the trash can icon will do the trick. This action is essential because it updates your cart and reflects the changes in your order total. You should see a confirmation that the item has been successfully removed, giving you peace of mind that your cart is now accurate. This process of canceling an item in Instacart not only keeps your shopping experience efficient, but also ensures you are only purchasing what you actually want. By following these steps, you maintain control over your orders. Remember, managing your items effectively can save you money and time, ensuring a smoother shopping experience in the future. If you have any other questions about using Instacart, feel free to explore their help section or check back for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.